What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-300 printer. As soon as they announced this printer on July 9th, I've been so excited to get my hands on it. If you've been following along with my channel, you know that I've been printing with the Canon PRO-100. Although a great printer, I've been running into problems where I just don't really care about using it anymore. So when I saw that they introduced this brand new printer, I just had to have it. Without further ado, let's get into this video, but first, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those bell notifications, and then we will unbox it, talk about the specs, and talk about it a little bit more. Alright, so here it is. I didn't get my table in time, so I'm using my coffee stand right here. So anyways, here is the box. So on top right here just gives you compatibility, so it says you can use Windows and Mac, and all the little information you need to know about the printer. So we'll get it opened up right now. Alright, so just order form, of course. Your getting started guide right there. And of course just a little advertisement packet from Canon. So just your standard wall connector. This is your print head right here. And inside this box you've got your ink. So you have 10 inks to go with this printer. And I've looked it up online. Replacement ink is about $120. And they added a nice sample luster paper in there for you to use. And the printer itself. So we'll go ahead and remove all the plastic on there and see what it looks like. And there we have it, the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-300. So now that we've unboxed it, let's talk a little bit about the specs. This printer is also now 15% smaller than the Canon Pro printers. So with this printer, you're looking at a resolution of 4800 by 1200 dpi. Just like the Pro printers, you're looking at a max print size of 13 by 19, and now added with a 13-inch borderless printing. This printer is using a fine print head, which is user replaceable. You're also looking at a nozzle recovery system and a skew correction. They've updated their black ink to produce beautiful black and white photos now. This printer also has 9 Pro pigment-based inks. For connectivity, you're looking at USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi compatibility. And lastly, this printer has a 3-inch LCD display. So if you guys like this video, and if you guys want to see more videos about this printer, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. I have a ton of new videos coming out that I cannot wait to share with you guys, and thank you guys so much for the support. I'll see you guys in my next video.